Hi everyone. Our topic today is writing equations. Okay, let's start. Firstly, let's find out what is an equation. An equation is a mathematical sentence with equal sign, and sometimes we need to translate our sentence into an equation, and for this we have to choose a variable to represent an unspecified numbers or measures in the sentence, and such as defining a variable, and finally we use this variable to write equations. For example, the first one, the square of y plus the cube of x is equal to 9. So this is a word sentence, and we have to translate this word sentence into mathematical sentence. We have to write it like an equation. So firstly, we have to write here y to the second power, because there is the square of y. It means y to the second power, and plus, because there is plus sign, and secondly, the cube of x, it means x to the third power, and equal 9. If we have to write this word sentence like a mathematical sentence, like an equation, we can write it like this. The second one, the quotient of a and b equals 2 more than 1/4 the difference of a and b. Okay, firstly, let's write here the quotient of a and b. It means a over b. And 2 equals, it means I have to write here equal sign, and 2 more than 2 plus 1/4. 1/4, it means 1/4, and the difference of a and b, I have to write here a minus b. So this word sentence can be expressed as an equation or a mathematical sentence like this. The third one, 1/3 of the sum of 8 and a number is the same as the number increased by 2. So let's pretend my unspecified number is x, and finally I have to write here 1/3. It means 1/3. So 1/3 of the sum of. So I have write here a bracket, and the sum of 8 and a number, I have to write here a plus my number is x, because I have already used x to represent my unspecified number. So I close my bracket, and is the same as, it means I have to write here equal sign, and the number, the same number x, increased by 2 plus 2. To make an equation from inverse sentence, sometimes we need to know consecutive numbers and how to write these numbers in mathematical language. So consecutive numbers are defined like this. These numbers that follow each other in increasing order from smallest to largest, with no missing number in between. And the most common consecutive numbers are the counting numbers. Well, in this example, we ask for the sum of 4 consecutive odd integers is 296. What is the greatest of the 4 consecutive odd integers? Let's pretend the first one is n. So I write here n. The second one is n plus 2. The third one is n plus 4. And the greatest one is n plus 6. There are 4 consecutive odd integers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the sum of these consecutive odd integers equals to 296. Let's just simplify this expression or this equation. 1n, 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4n. So I write here 4n plus, and 2 plus 4, I get 6. 6 plus 6, I get 12, equals 296. So if I have to solve this equation, I have to write here 4n equals 296 minus 12. So 4n equals 284, and n equals 71. So the first one, the first odd integer number is 71, and the second one is 73, the third one is 75, and the fourth one, actually the greatest one, is 77. So my answer is 77.